Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fauzan Rahmatullah. I am from Manchester University, English Education Study Program. And now I want to tell you and teach you about Introduction to Linguistics. The title is Semantics. And you know what's about semantics? Look at the whiteboard. Semantics. The semantics comes from the Greek sema. The semantics comes from the Greek sema, or from the verb semania. The meaning is to mark or to mean, and then the semantic is the part of linguistic to tell or to explain about meaning the tenses or about tenses or about word. The term is used by linguistics to refer to the part of linguistics that studies meaning. Semantics is a branch of linguistics that examines meaning or meaning. The meaning explained by semantics is context-free, meaning some of the meanings are lexical and some are grammatical. That's the definition of semantic. The semantic is branch of linguistics, and this topic is study about the meaning of the word or the meaning of the tenses, and some of the semantics, and some of the meanings are like some of the meanings are lexical and some are grammatical. That is the sum of semantics. Now we next to and the semantics have some of kind. There are several or types of semantics that are known, among others. The semantics have 6 or have eight types. The first, semantic behavior; second, semantics descriptive; and the third, semantic generative; and the fourth, semantics grammatical; and the fifth is semantics lexical; and the sixth, semantics historist; and the seventh, semantics logical; and the eighth, semantics structural. Nah, this is about type of semantic. That then semantic have 8 types. Semantics have 8 types, and this is about types of semantic. But now I just want to tell you or to teach you about 2 types. I just want to tell you about 2 types. What is that? The semantics grammatical and the semantic lexical. And now next I want to tell you or to explain you about grammatical semantics and lexical semantics. The grammatical semantics, look at the whiteboard. The grammatical semantic is a simultaneous study that specifically examines the meaning contained in sentence unit. This is the means of grammatical semantic. The grammatical semantic is a simultaneous study that specifically examines the meaning contained in sentence unit. Then the grammatical semantics that contained is sentence unit. The content about grammatical semantics is sentence units different uh, different with the lexical semantics. The lexical semantics, the meaning is a more satisfying system of the meaning. A more satisfying since is a more satisfying semantics study of the system of meaning contained in words. This is the different from grammatical semantics and lexical semantics. If the grammatical semantics, the content sentence unit, but if the lexical semantics, the content is in the words. In the words. This is the difference. Fehar said that grammatical semantics is much more difficult to analyze. To analyze the sentence still sitting. Like a sample, the sentence is the older brother has the older brother has slept not only interpret from the word that compose it. One has to interpret the whole sentence as well as something that is behind the sentence. A word will change its meaning when put or combined with the other words. And the lexical semantic is not that difficult. A dictionary is a good example of lexical semantic. The meaning of each word is described there. So, lexical semantics pay attention to the meaning contained in the sentence as an independent unit. After this, I want to tell you or explain you with the example. Now, I want to explain you about the example. I have some the words. The example for explain about what semantics. I have three words. Now, the first word is why. Why? Have this word have two meaning. The denotation meaning and connotation meaning. The denotation meaning is the general meaning. Is the general meaning. Is the general meaning from white is name of color, but is the specific the meaning or connotation meaning is purify or peace. This is the example from white. Or the other example is black cross. You know black cross? The black cross is in general meaning is denotation meaning the name of flower. The denotation meaning or the in general meaning the name of flower. But in the specific meaning, in connotation meaning, this black cross is the have mean is hatred. And next, the third word is star. The third word is star. The general meaning or the notation meaning is increased pressure, and the specific meaning or connotation meaning is difficult to achieve or describe like they. This is the example for semantic. This is now the semantic has study of meaning and like word one of one word have some meaning, not have the one word not have just one meaning, but the one words have some meaning. And semantic is study of meaning, like this example, white, black cross, or star. Last, I want to tell you about the characteristic of semantics. This is the 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 two character of semantics. The first character, semantics, is the study of relationship between the sign, symbol, and the object effer. Nah, the first characteristic of the semantic is the study of relationship between the sign or symbol and the object referred to by the sign. This is the first characteristic. And the second characteristic, semantic, is is the study of the meaning. If this characteristic not have what if this characteristic is nothing in the sentence, but we can call that is semantics. And and give me give us the explain, but give and that give and this is the two characteristic is give us the give us the mean with the without this two character, we can call that is semantics. We can call that semantic if these two character have in the sentence or is there in the semantic. Okay, just this for me. Goodbye. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.